The moment you stop viewing people's negative behaviors towards you as a perception of your self worth, you'll have better experiences in life. Because a lot of you are walking around and you're trying to figure out, why wouldn't they just be honest with me? How can you expect a liar to be truthful? You're saying, well, why did they cheat on me? What was wrong with me? It's because they had poor character. You're asking, why did they steal from me? It's because they were a thief. It has nothing to do with you and everything to do with them. And the moment you take a step back and realize that people's negative behaviors is really a reflection of them and not you, you will have better experiences in life. Let people be who they are and you move accordingly. Love y'all.